lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we are going to do like a double unboxing. We are going to do the Tribe Beauty Box. This is a bi-monthly subscription. And then we are going to do the Slay Glam box. This is a monthly subscription. So, I'm going to do like Tribe for Slay Glam. You know, just unbox it and show you what is in here. These are both for the month of October. So if you want to see what I got in these boxes, what I think of them, and which one's better for your bang, then keep on watching. All right, really quick before I forget, I do receive both of these. They were both gifted to me for our honest review, and you guys know I do give honest reviews. So let's do the Slay Glam box first. Like I said, this is a monthly subscription. I'm looking for my cutter because I can't find mine. I have this little one. I'm going to end up losing that. So this just came Monday, I think. Yeah, Monday. So I haven't even like took it out of the bag. This is how it comes. All right here, this is $24 a month. I do have a code that saves you 25% off. I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys. So let's take everything out. Okay. And it always comes very nicely packed. So I really haven't received anything broke in there. I do know she's working on her packaging. That's going to be a little bit stronger than that. All right, I don't know if there's a card in there, but I do see on the outside of the bag, maybe the card's in here. So it looks like a face mask. Let's open her up and see. All right, so that's not a card. It's just like a little sticker, and it says, oh, I think it lights up. All right, so you have this, which I love, filters that you put in. So I don't know if it came with this month or it's just something that she's selling. Let's see. So you would put the filter in here, and oh, I have makeup on, so I don't want to put it on, but you guys can see. So in the dark, it probably lights up. Let's turn you down. And I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, so you can make it blink. Huh. Let me turn you back on. That is pretty cool. I've never seen a face mask like that. And I love the fact you could put a filter in here. Ooh. Okay. All right, I'll definitely play around with that. Like I said, I'm not sure if it's in this month for October or not. I'll find out and I'll let you know in the description box. Okay, so I do not have a card for this month, but let me show you what I do have. So this is from Glam Cosmetics, and this looks like a little glitter. Let's see what it is. It is called Carnival. And it is a glitter. Very pretty. I'm not going to open it up, but it's like a bronzy color. Very, very pretty. I don't wear much glitter, but when I do, this is a really pretty color. All right, so we have that. The next thing is from Glam Cosmetics again, and this is a metallic tint right there. It's like a purpley color. Let's take a little swatchy swatch. All right, I'll do it really quickly. So, doe foot applicator. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I didn't think I was going to really like it. I don't wear like metallic shades, but that's not real metallic-y, like, you know? It's gorgeous though. Wow, and it's very opaque. You can see the metallic a little bit, you know, but it's not that metallic-y. Like, if I'm making any kind of sense, I do like that a lot. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, so we have that. The next thing is, what is this? From Sourmay. This is a pearlized lip and eyeliner. I've got one of these, but in my Glitz Glam bag. I forget what month, and it was really pretty. It was like a green color, and I loved it. All right, so we have that. It was like a metallic-y kind, and that's what this is. Right here is gorgeous. Ooh. I wouldn't wear it as a lip liner, but the eyeliner for me is gorgeous. Okay. And there we go. If you guys can see, I'm not sure, but it's really, really pretty. Ew, this would look beautiful with that glitter. Okay. So then we have this brush here. I thought maybe this came off, but it doesn't. I guess that's for decoration. All right, so we have a brush here, and I don't know if it goes with this glitter or that. I'm not sure. That's why I wish there were cards in here. I don't know if this does anything. Anyway, this is from Glam Cosmetics. Was the glitter? Okay, so it probably went with the glitter. All right, and last but not least is from Mura. Mura? This is a Glow and Gleam palette. Another thing about Slay Glam, you do always get palettes in here, which I do enjoy. Here we go. There's the back. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, I'm excited. All right, so you have a nice mirror here, but let me show you these colors. And it's like a butterfly. I have been seeing butterflies lately. Ooh, okay, I'm definitely gonna swatch it. Okay, so the shimmer shades feel good. I'll do 4 shimmer shades. It's really, really pretty, and it definitely, oh. Now, do you guys know when I tell you that there's a palette? Let me try swatching that again, on the last one. And I was like, this is what I like. Do you see that? The shimmers? That's what I like to see, not something like when they say it's $48 or $38 and you gotta wet them. These here I wouldn't have to wet. That's gorgeous. Okay, let me wipe my hand. All right, let me do a couple of the mattes and see what they feel like. Okay. Wow. So I'll just do 4 of the mattes. So let's see. All right, so that's one time. Let me go back in with that pink shade and just see if it's buildable. All right, so I went back in with this purple and this shade right here. And it's definitely buildable, and I do really like this a lot. All right, so let's recap everything we got for Slay Glam Box. So we have this palette right here. We have this glitter, and the glitter will go with this as well. We got, I'm sure maybe this goes together because they're both from Glam Cosmetics. We got this, you can use it for eye or lip. Very, very pretty right here. I don't know what I'm dropping. I'm always dropping stuff. We have this, like, it says metallic, but you can see the metallic, but it's really pretty. That. And then, like I said, I'm not sure. I'll let you know down below about this. I love that it goes different colors. That is so good. All right, so let me put everything aside and let's get on with the with the Try Beauty Box. I noticed that this came, so this must be where you can charge your face mask, which that's good. That is really good. Oh my God, I'm really excited about that mask. All right, moving on. All right, so we have the Tribe Beauty Box. Like I said, this is a bi-monthly subscription, and I haven't even, oh yeah, I did cut the tape already. All right, so that's what she looks like. It says Tribe Beauty Box. I do like this subscription too. All right, so it was coming in a bag, but now it's coming in a box right there. So that's good. I love the fact that we get a card every month. It says October 2020, dusk to dawn. Yes. All right, and this is really packaged up really, really nice. So let me cut into this bad boy. All right, this is a really good month. The first thing that I do have a code with this as well. I'll leave it down below to save you some money off. Again, I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys. So this is from Gerard Cosmetics. I love Gerard Cosmetics, especially their setting sprays and their lip liners as well. I do have a code with them that you can save 30% off anything on there, so definitely check it out, because what I'm going to show you here is one of Gerard Cosmetics' newest items on there. This is the Clean Canvas, and this is in shade, I think it's Fair. Let me see. Yeah, in shade Fair. Now, let me show you what this looks like. And I actually am using, but I'm using the shade medium on my eyes today. This is an eye primer. And if you guys know what that, like the MAC eye paint that a lot of people talk about, this is almost like a dupe for it. And this is like liquidy though. Let me show you. So when I first got it, I was like, oh, I don't know, because you guys can see it's liquidy. But I am gonna do a little swatch to show you. So I know with Gerard Cosmetics, when they first came out, they only had the shade medium. But they have 4 different shades now. They have fair, light, medium, and I believe it's dark. So that is good. All right, so that's what it looks like. And can I just tell you, because I am 44, oh, that's a pretty color. This is like a pinky like tint to it. It actually takes all, like if you have any veins that are shown on your eyelids or any kind of like wrinkling, it smooths it out. That way you can, you know, get like a clean canvas like it's called. I really, really like this. If you don't get this box, I recommend to go on there and try this and use my code and get that 30% off. You will really like these, honest to God. All right, how much are they? $22. All right. The next thing we got is from Suba Beauty. This is a gloss, and I love me some glosses. All right, how much you be? So this is $18 right here. No, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Yeah, $18. This is, what shade you be? Good God, I can't see. I think Illuminist. I think that's what it is. And let's swatch it. It's almost like the Slay Glam one, but this is like a matte, I mean a lip gloss. Oh, that's pretty too. Yes. That's gorgeous. All right. When I first started wearing makeup, I never liked to wear purple. Now I love wearing purple. All right, so we have that. The next thing we got is from Lash Splash. This is a liquid metal. This is a jumbo felt tip liner and cut crease definer for $18. Okay, so there we go. I have to make sure I was looking at the same thing. Okay, the right thing, I mean. All right, so is this like a little glitter? Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. So that's like a pink color, like a felt tip metallic. I don't know what you're going to be able to see with this lighting. All right, so we have that. And then on this side, you have a black, I'll swatch it, a black eyeliner. Ooh, so if you wear the black eyeliner and then you can wear that glitter, oh, that's gorgeous. You guys know I don't wear liquid eyeliner, but this is small enough that I will give it a try. The only reason why I don't use it is because I have hooded eyes, right? And so when I feel like when I put it on the top, then it takes away from my eye look, like my shimmer shade. But I'm definitely going to play around with that. All right, excited. All right, so then we have from Earth Harbor. This is like a serum. I did get this from, let me try that again. I do have this. I got it from in the Bella Skin box. And this puppy is $48. And I've tried it and liked it, and I'm glad to get another one. I was looking to see if I have it on my table, but I don't. Okay. And there we go. Love this. Maybe I got it in my Fashionista box. I'm not sure, but I definitely got this before. Isn't that pretty, the color? All right, so I'm definitely excited to get this puppy again. All right, and last but not least, guys, from Pure Cosmetics, this is the Defense Palettes, and this is $34. I'm looking, they're supposed to get one more thing on here, and I don't have it. It says on here you're supposed to get from Patchology, Rejuvenating Eye Gel Patch Singles, $15. I didn't receive that, but I did get everything else. So maybe you get like one or the other. All right, so this is the Defense Palette. How much did I say it was? $34. Pure has its hits and misses for me with their eyeshadows, but I love this packaging. This is the brand that Raw Raw Beauty Christie did her palette with. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, let me show you. Let me cover up the mirror so I don't blind you. This is like a neutral palette. So beautiful, guys. Yes. All right. Oh, that mirror is really, really pretty. All right, I'm just going to do a couple of the shades. Wow, this feels like butter. Look at that. That's so pretty. All right. Wow, both of these subscription boxes were really good this month. This one is a bad swatch because of me on my pinky. But right here, that is gorgeous. I'm definitely excited to use that. Let me just do a couple of the mattes. Let's see. Oh my God, the mattes feel like butter. Right here. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see it because I swatched two of the shimmer shades. Right here. Yes. All right. I'm really excited this month with both of these subscriptions. All right. So let's recap everything that we got in the Tribe Beauty Box. So from Pure Cosmetics, we have the eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited to get this and play around with it. We have the, what was this again? Oh, on both sides, you either have the black eyeliner or like it's a pink glitter. We have from Gerard Cosmetics, this is the Clean Canvas. I honest to God recommend this. I really, really do. It's gorgeous. They have 4 different shades, so that's good. We have the Ample, like the serum. Love this. I've already tried this, so I can tell you I really do like it. We have from Suva Beauty, this is the lip gloss, very opaque, and it'll definitely go with that neutral palette. And that's everything. Oh, here was the thing. That's everything that I got in my Tribe Beauty Box. I think both of the boxes were really good this month. I really, really do. Depending on if you want a monthly subscription or a bi-monthly subscription. But I love both of them. So, and Tribe Box is getting better and better as well. So, I don't know. Let me know down below. What did you like? Did you like Tribe Beauty Box? Did you like Slay Glam? I don't know. Slay Glam has that mask. That was pretty cool. So if I had to pick, I don't know, because I like both of them. That mask and that palette from Tribe Beauty Box. I can't choose. Let me know what you liked down below. And that's everything, guys. Please like this video if you like me. It really does help me out. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.